Today I'm going to show you how to increase the video quality to shoot in 4K high definition clarity on your iPhone. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to your gray settings icon widget on your screen. Once you've opened that up, you're going to scroll through the options menu until you find your camera. Once you find that camera icon, there it is right there, you'll select it, and then you can see at the top you have formats, record video, record slow-mo. Record video is what you want to select, which is the second option down. And typically things are set in 1080p, as you saw there. You can adjust that and move that down to any of these three 4K options. They have it at 24 FPS, 30 or 60, which is frames per second. To get the highest quality video and definition, you're gonna go all the way down to the 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, another tip is if you want to increase the clarity of your photos, up at the top you can select formats, and once you've opened that up, you're going to select high efficiency, which is going to give you the very best definition in your photos as well. Now keep in mind that this will increase the usage of your storage capacity on your device, and you may need to delete videos more often if you don't have a lot of storage, but it will be very good for high crisp quality videos. If you guys found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos for more Live Life Simple tips.